Mungo Dude says there are 26 films in the Air Bud cinematic universe.
Yeah, there are more movies about golden retrievers playing sports than women.
Holy shit.
Thank you.
That's the fastest Chad has moved since the start of the run. With just everyone going, oh god.
Wow.
It's okay, Rachel. We have equality now.
I just want to point out.
Bend it like Beckham. End of list.
The baseball one.
Oh, right. League of Their Own. Sure. There we go. Two.
It's not a good sign if you have to call it the baseball.
Yeah, but you knew what I meant.
Mrs. Baseball.
Because there's gas.
The one with the big head and fake butt. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.